YouTube, what it do? FadeMasterLos here, live and direct. You ever wanted to learn how to put a razor into a razor holder? Hey, this is the video for you. I'm gonna show you how to do it, and it ain't gonna take no time at all. A lot of people wonder, how do you put that straight razor into that holder? Hey, this is the video for you. It's FadeMasterLos here, live and direct. But before I go, make sure you click that like, that comment, and also subscribe. It's only gonna make you better. FadeMasterLos here. Let's go. If you're interested in any of the tools that you see in this video, click the link down below. The best tools you can get. So when you get double-edged blades, you usually get them in some type of paper wrap around them. We're gonna take it and break it straight in the middle, just like so. Once you do that, make sure that you're careful not to touch the actual sharp side of the blade. We're going to remove it from the package and set it aside. Next, grab your razor holder and open it like so. Once you have it like this, grab your razor blade and begin to insert it as shown. Just like that. Now close the last lever and you got it. There you go. Successfully put that straight razor into that razor holder. Let's get it. FadeMasterLos here, live and direct. Let's go.